Moving on to the neckline, we're going to use a 3 guard all the way open to debulk. Using our Go to Effects, we're starting off at the bottom of the neckline and working our way to the top arch. You want to be very careful when lining up this area. Make sure you don't take it too high. Moving on to the side taper, we're starting off by making a rainbow shape with our Go to Effects. Now that we're done budding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You also want to make sure you're following the same shape as your first guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done with our half guard, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open, creating our 4th guideline. This guideline will help us get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done with our 2 guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, and we're connecting the lower guards to the top half of the fade. I always like to go back to the fade in detail with my no guard all the way closed, halfway, and all the way open. Moving on to his hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the sides. His hairline comes to the side, so I'm attacking the hairline at an angle. Moving on to the C cup, we're starting off at the bottom and moving our way to the top arch. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated.